So let's take a look inside. We're just coming through the formal entry, great architecture with arches and pathways into the home. And we've got this beautiful center courtyard with a ton of light pouring through over to the formal dining space. 2 bedrooms upstairs, and then we get into the great room here, which I just think is so stunning. Cathedral ceilings over here on your left, and the master suite is around that corner. And then right through here to the kitchen, which looks over everything. It's just a perfect floor plan. The homeowners did GE monogram appliances, beautiful built-in Sub-Zero refrigerator. There's a wine fridge around the corner and a massive backyard on a corner lot. This is 8707 Herrington Way in the lakes above Rancho, Santa Fe. Please call the Schreiber team and Compass for your private tour, 858-367-8471.